Way to go. Camela Bang from the outside. Fearless Boss in between runners. Dancing Dolphin. Plain and simple alongside his Empire's Magic Matadora. Also there. Silver Champ. Taxi is the early trailer. Dancing Dolphin. Fearless Boss. Matadora. Alongside is Camela Bang on the further outside. Empire's Magic. Plain and simple. Taxi. Silver Champ, rounding the far turn, Dancing Dolphin by about 2 lengths. Fearless Boss, Camela Bang racing on the outside. As now Dancing Dolphin, Fearless Boss, Camela Bang. Taxi moving up by the rail, and on the outside Empire's Magic as they race the final corner. Number 6, Dancing Dolphin, followed now by Taxi is running by the rail and nearing the finish line. Dancing Dolphin, Taxi on the outside, Fearless Boss, and Camela Bang. And nearing the finish line, the outstanding favorite, number 6, Dancing Dolphin, second. Taxi, Fearless Boss, Silver Champ, and Camela Bang for your Pentafecta.
61437 natin ang official order of arrival crossing